Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In the workshop this week, or this week's quick video, I've got a tip for you domino users, and it's all how to avoid the domino kiss. Coming up next. So Festool's Domino, it's a pretty amazing piece of kit. If you haven't used one, try and get your hands on one or try and get a demo from somewhere. They index off pins or paddles for perfect alignment on boards like this. In fact, the only sort of downside with them is that, well, they're actually pretty snug fit, and they can be quite hard to get out. That's in a loose slot, and in a tight slot, well, that can be even worse. Now, if you're a super organised sort of person, you'll probably have a set of dominoes like these. These are ones that you've rubbed down on a piece of sandpaper, so both sides, so that they're a little bit smoother, so they slip into the domino mortises much more easily, and you've marked them on the ends with a Sharpie so that you can identify them easily. You'll probably keep them in a little Tupperware container with some silica gel so that they get moist and get any fatter. I'm not that organised. I don't have a set of those. Maybe you're organised in another way and you've got a set of dominoes that actually have holes drilled in them. This means that when the dominoes go in, even though they're a nice snug fit, you can actually get them out just by using a screwdriver through the hole and yanking them clear. Now, I did have a set of these with holes drilled in very carefully, and then I kind of ran out of dominoes one day and had to use them for a job. So if you're a bit like me and a bit disorganised, well, if you get a domino that's stuck, you can use a set of pincers to pull it out. The trouble is you have to grip the domino quite carefully, and when you yank that out, it comes out a bit suddenly. It's very easy to give yourself a smack in the mouth, or at worst, a blow to the eye. Plus, the domino gets a little bit damaged because you have to press it so hard. I found actually a better way of doing this. And all I use if I get a domino that's stuck is an old set of side cutters, electrician's side cutters. And with these, you can just grip the domino very gently and just lever it out, nice and easy. There's minimal damage to the domino, so that's good to go on the glue up. So that's it for this week's quick vid. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you find it useful. Anything that avoids a smack in the mouth, or worse, a set of pincers in the eye, is probably a good thing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.